Top 300 Exam MCQs in Engineering Graphics and Design. Part 4. Welcome back to CivTech Simplified. In this series, engineer Imran Aziz brings you 50 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, per video to help civil engineers like you prepare for competitive exams, interviews, and university tests. Today's topic is Engineering Graphics and Design. And remember, correct answers are clearly highlighted to help you review effectively. Let's get started. MCQs, Part 4. Question number 151. The locus of a point P about another point O, such that its distance from O is constant, is y and d. A. A line passing through O. B. Two parallel lines equidistant from O. C. A circle with center O. D. A curve with O in it. Correct option, C. A circle with center O. 152. The planes which are perpendicular to both the reference plane, horizontal and vertical, are visible clearly only if we watched from A. Front view, B. Top view, C. Side view, D. Isometric view. Correct option, C. Side view. 153. A plane is held parallel to the horizontal plane in which view we can watch. Drawing on that plane, A. Top view, B. Front view, C. Back view, D. Side view. Correct option, A. Top view. 154. A circle is placed at 20 degrees with vertical. The view from the top will be A. Inclined line, B. Circle, C. Ellipse, D. Oval. Correct option, A. Inclined line. 155. A square is held 30 degrees with the horizontal plane and turned 30 degrees with respect to vertical plane, keeping earlier condition constant. The top view will be A. Line, B. Square, C. Rectangle, D. Parallelogram. Correct option, C. Rectangle. 156. A square is held 30 degrees with the horizontal plane and turned 30 degrees with respect to vertical plane, keeping earlier condition constant. The front view will be A. Line, B. Square, C. Rectangle, D. Parallelogram. Correct option, C. Rectangle. 157. A triangle is placed perpendicular to both the reference planes, horizontal and vertical plane. Which of the following statement is true? A. Front view line, top view triangle, B. Front view triangle, top view line, C. Front view line, top view line, D. Front view triangle, side view line. Correct option, D. Front view triangle, side view line. 158. When a plane is perpendicular to a reference plane, its projection on that plane shows its true shape and size. A. True, B. False. Correct option, B. False. 159. A hexagon is placed parallel to the vertical plane. Which of the following projection is true? A. Front view line, top view, hexagon, B. Front view, hexagon, top view line, C. Front view, line, top view line, D. Top view, hexagon, side view, line. Correct option, B. Front view, hexagon, top view, line. 160. A pentagon is placed parallel to the horizontal plane. Which of the following projection is true? A. Front view line, top view, pentagon, B. Front view, pentagon, top view, line, C. Front view, line, top view, line, D. Top view, line, side view, line. Correct option, a front view line, top view, pentagon. 161. A rectangle is placed parallel to the profile plane. Which of the following projection is true? A. Front view line, top view rectangle. B. Front view rectangle, top view line. C. Front view line, top view line. D. Top view rectangle, side view line. Correct option, C. Front view dash line, top view dash line. 162. An ellipse is placed parallel to the vertical plane. Which of the following projection is false? A. Front view ellipse, top view line. B. Length in the top view and side view will be the same. C. Ellipse is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. D. The traces of the plane containing this circle will not intersect at XY reference line. Correct option, B. Length in the top view and side view will be the same. 163. High drawing projections. If a triangle is parallel to the horizontal plane, the top should be drawn first, and projections are drawn to it to get a front view. A. True. B. False. Correct option, a true. 164. When a plane is perpendicular to one plane and inclined to other reference planes, then the projections are obtained in two stages. A. True. B. False. Correct option, a true. 165. A square is placed perpendicular to the vertical plane and inclined to horizontal. Which of the following is true? A. Front view line, top view, square. B. Front view line, top view rectangle. C. Front view line, top view line. D. Top view line, side view rectangle. Correct option, B. Front view line, top view rectangle. 166. A circle is placed perpendicular to the vertical plane and inclined to horizontal. Which of the following is true? A. Front view line, top view circle. B. Front view circle, top view circle. C. Front view line, top view line. D. Top view ellipse, side view ellipse. Correct option, D. Top view ellipse, side view ellipse. 167. A triangle is placed perpendicular to the horizontal plane and inclined to vertical. Which of the following is true? A. Front view line, top view, triangle. B. Front view triangle, top view line. C. Front view line, top view line. D. Top view line, side view line. Correct option, B. Front view triangle, top view line. 168. If a square is placed on its base parallel to the horizontal plane, and the plane containing square is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and inclined to the vertical plane, then the top view gives a line of length equal to the side of the square. A. True. B. False. Correct option, a true. 169. A pentagon is placed perpendicular to the horizontal plane and inclined to profile plane. Which of the following is true? A. Front view line, top view, pentagon. B. Front view, pentagon, top view line. C. Front view line, top view line. D. Top view line, side view line. Correct option, B. Front view, pentagon, top view line. 170. If a thin set square is kept perpendicular to both the horizontal and vertical planes, its true shape is seen in A. Horizontal plane. B. Vertical plane. C. Auxiliary plane. D. Profile plane. Correct option, D. Profile plane. 171. If both front and top views of a plane are straight lines, the true shape will lie on A. Profile plane. B. Horizontal plane. C. Vertical plane. D. Auxiliary plane. Correct option, A. Profile plane. 172. The front view of an elliptical plane may be A. An ellipse. B. Straight line. C. A circle. D. Any one above the mentioned. Correct option, D. Any one above the mentioned. 173. If the top view of a plane is a rhombus, the object may be a square, either A or B, a rhombus, neither A or B. Correct option, B, either A or B. 174. A 60-degree set square has its shortest edge in the VP. The surface is perpendicular to the HP and inclined to the VP. Its front view may appear as A, an equilateral triangle, B, an isosceles triangle, C, an obtuse angled triangle, D, an acute-angled triangle. Correct option, B, an isosceles triangle. 175. A plane surface has chi. Dimension: A, 0, B, 2, C, 3, D, 2.5. Correct option, B, 2. 176. A square plate of negligible thickness is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. The front view will appear as A, rhombus, B, rectangle, C, inclined line, D, square. Correct option, C, inclined line. 177. When a surface of an object is inclined to a plane of projection, it will appear as in the view. A, foreshortened, B, as a line, C, in true size and shape, D, as a point. Correct option, A, foreshortened. 178. In multi-view orthographic projection, the front view of a circular plane may be A, a circle, B, an ellipse, C, a straight line, D, any one of these. Correct option, C, a straight line. 179. If a plane is inclined with both the reference plane, then the plane come under A, auxiliary plane, B, oblique plane, C, perpendicular plane, D, cross planes. Correct option, B, oblique plane. 180. The minimum number of orthographic view required to represent a solid on a flat surface is uses 1. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Correct option, B, 2. 181. When a pyramid or a cone is cut by a plane parallel to its base, thus removing the top portion, the remaining portion is called C. A, cylinder, B, frustum, C, prism, D, polyhedron. Correct option, B, frustum. 182. Straight lines drawn from the apex to the circumference of the base circle are all equal and are called as ni oktsan. A, edges, B, connecting lines, C, projectors, D, generators. Correct option, D, generators. 183. If a solid's axis is perpendicular to one of the reference planes, then the projection of solid onto the same plane gives the true shape and size of its rose ascendro. A, lateral geometry, B, base, C, cross-section, D, surface. Correct option, B, base. 184. When the axis of solid is perpendicular to HP, the Yasdutsus view should be drawn first, and C, Bas view then projected from it. A front, top B top, side C side, front D top, front. Correct option, D top, front. 185. When the axis of solid is perpendicular to VP, the Dutrads view should be drawn first, and Xabium views then projected from it. A front, top B top, side C side, front D top, front. Correct option, a front, top. 186. When the axis of solid is parallel to HP and VP, then Iao view should be drawn first, and X and Iao Ija view then projected from it. A, front, top, side, B, top, side, front, C, side, front, top, D, top, front, side. Correct option, C, side, front, top. 187. The front view, side view, and top view of a regular square pyramid standing on a horizontal plane base on the horizontal plane. A. Triangle, triangle, and square. B. Square, triangle, and triangle. C. Square, triangle, and square. D. Triangle, square, and triangle. Correct option: a triangle, triangle, and square. 188. The front view, side view, and top view of a cylinder standing on a horizontal plane base on the horizontal plane. A. Circle, rectangle, and rectangle. B. Rectangle, rectangle, and circle. C. Rectangle, circle, and rectangle. D. Circle, triangle, and triangle. Correct option: B. Rectangle, rectangle, and circle. 189. The side view, top view, and front view of a regular hexagonal pyramid placed base parallel to profile plane. A. Triangle, triangle, and hexagon. B. Hexagon, triangle, and triangle. C. Hexagon, triangle, and hexagon. D. Triangle, hexagon, and triangle. Correct option: B. Hexagon, triangle, and triangle. 190. The side view, top view, and front view of a regular cone placed base parallel to profile plane. A. Triangle, triangle, and circle. B. Circle, triangle, and triangle. C. Rectangle, triangle, and circle. D. Triangle, circle, and triangle. Correct option: B. Circle, triangle, and triangle. 191. The side view, top view, and front view of a regular pentagonal prism placed axis perpendicular to the vertical plane. A. Rectangle, rectangle, and pentagon. B. Pentagon, rectangle, and rectangle. C. Pentagon, rectangle, and pentagon. D. Rectangle, pentagon, and rectangle. Correct option: a rectangle, rectangle, and pentagon. 192. When a solid is placed such that axis is inclined with the VP and parallel to the HP, its projections are drawn in stages: A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Correct option: B, 2. 193. Surface is formed when a sphere is cut by a plane. A. Ellipse. B. Parabola. C. Circle. D. Hyperbola. Correct option: C. Circle. 194. When a hemisphere is placed on the ground on its flat face, its front view is a in A. Semicircle. B. Circle. C. Ellipse. D. Irregular one. Correct option: a semicircle. 195. When a hemisphere is placed on the ground on its flat face, its top view is a A. Semicircle. B. Circle. C. Ellipse. D. Irregular one. Correct option: B. Circle. 196. To understand some of the hidden geometry of components, an imaginary plane is used to cut the object, which is called plane. A. Auxiliary. B. Picture. C. Section. D. Additional. Correct option: C. Section. 197. Which of the following is not the purpose of using the cutting section plane? A. Interpretation of object. B. Visualizing of object. C. Cutting the objects. D. Invisible features. Correct option: C. Cutting the objects. 198. To find the true shape of the section, it must be projected on a plane parallel to the plane. A. Profile. B. Vertical. C. Auxiliary. D. Section. Correct option: D. Section. 199. A cube is rested on HP on one of its base, such that base's diagonal is perpendicular to VP and section plane is parallel to VP. The section will be A. Triangle. B. Rectangle. C. Trapezium. D. Parallelogram. Correct option. B. Rectangle. 200. A square pyramid is placed on VP with a square as the base on VP. The cutting plane is parallel to VP. The section will be Nush Dus Waju. A. Triangle. B. Rectangle. C. Square. D. Pentagon. Correct option. C. Square. Thank you for watching. You've completed the Part 4 of Engineering Graphics and Design MCQs series. 300 MCQs would be shared in total, fully solved and exam-focused. Our videos are perfect for PE, FE, PPSC, FPSC, SSCJE, RRB, KPPSC, and more. Subscribe to CivTech Simplified for upcoming parts on this topic and other MCQs videos on hydraulics machines, soil mechanics, RCC, and more. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you.